again?
Kill it.
No.
Look at this shit, y'all. YouTube, whoever. Look at this motherfucking bug.
What is that?
Kill it! She finna kill it. My mama
No,
finna kill
I'm
it.
not about to kill it.
Kill that shit, man.
No, I'll watch you kill it. I'll supervise.
Jason, I'm gonna show this to you.
Yeah, Jason, this is for you. When we see things like
Making
this,
me itch.
you're gonna have to come over and kill it. Whether it's 2 o'clock in the morning or in the
Let you
afternoon.
see it move. That bitch can roll though. I can't get it in that weird part of the wall.
So
like
move
I'm
it
gonna
away
slap
from it.
It's gonna jump on my subwoofer.
It's gonna jump right there.
Smack the shit out of it, right?
Smack the wall so it'll move somewhere else. Closer. Bitch ain't going nowhere.
Okay, kill it! Get it!
Oh my god, where is it? Pull it.
It's right there by my subwoofer!
Pull the subwoofer by the cable.
Shit! I'm gonna tear it up!
Slowly.
This bitch don't want it, bitch! You don't want it, bitch!
Ah! Ow! Ow! It's still up! Yeah, squish it! Oh, gross.
Dumbass bug! Bitch!
When
That
it's
bitch-
dead, it's dead. Go
That bitch had me. You see how many legs that bitch had?
Look at all of them.
That my shoe nasty. Ain't no more to that bitch. Let me see another one of them motherfuckers in my room. Got my damn head is.
Alright. See, she tripping.
Trying to tie my hair because some shit crawl on my. If my dreads crawling, I'm pulling them bitches off. I swear. All of my dreads gonna be gone in the morning. What the fuck, Gwen?